Hi guys, I was just about to head out the door and I was just tidying up my makeup, and I thought actually I should really talk a little bit about the new brow tint product. So I'm still learning about it and I'm really loving it so far, and I'm not sure if this is going to show up on camera very well, but I thought, hey, let's test it out and see if you can see the difference, because I don't know about you guys, but I'm really enjoying this. In the past, I've used pencil, I've used powder, which are all really great and really love them. But I'm really loving this because it's so quick and easy. And the colour is absolutely perfect for me. I have the one in dark blonde. Yeah, it's just really easy to use. So, let's see if we can see a little bit of a difference. So, like I say, I'm the colour dark blonde. What I'm really loving about it is the little wand. It's got this tiny little wee spoolie applicator at the bottom. When you take it out of the wand out of the tube, make sure you wipe off all the excess, because you don't want too much on your first touch, if you know what I mean. And then what I do is I start in the middle, and you're just doing little feathery strokes through the hairs, and then I go back to the start, push it through, and where your brow's a little bit thinner and you want a bit more direct application, I just use the end to try and draw through. My eyebrows are definitely sisters, not twins, which is why they should be. So now I'm just going to get a little bit more. Just go back in there, wipe off the excess again, because you don't want too much. Start in the center. It's a bit harder going this way because I've got my arms twisted around. And just little feathery strokes through. And then use the end of it where you want it thinner and more direct, and then go back to the start and just push it in and push those little hairs into place. Now you could, if you wanted, use powder and pencil as well. I'm finding I'm just really loving this tint on its own. What it does is it actually thickens, it tints, and it holds them in place. So it does three things. It has little fibers in there, so it just helps to make them appear a little bit thicker, which is great if you've got quite sparse eyebrows. I luckily don't. So mine's more for holding it in place and just making them look a little bit more defined and tidier. I'm absolutely stoked with this colour. For me, it is a great colour. To go show you some colours, that's the dark blonde, and then I've got the brunette one here. I don't have the other colours, sorry, I've only got the two. So you can see there the slight difference. Like, there's not a lot because obviously you're trying to match hair colours, and so the differences are very subtle. But yeah, the brunette's definitely a little bit warmer. I'll insert a picture of the different colours from online, so take it with a grain of salt, but it gives you a little bit of idea of where they all sit. So we currently offer 4 different colours. This is actually dry now. What you could do is, just before it fully dries, if you want, is just get a little dry spoolie brush and just brush through if you want to. But I just really find that they just stay nicely in place all day. I don't feel it. It's not crunchy. It doesn't come off. It's meant to be life proof, so it's designed to just stay perfect all day without smudging. Yeah, and it's just really, really easy, and eyebrows do make quite a difference to the face. Here on the, I'm just looking on the Mary Kay website, whether you like to shape, tame, thicken or fill in, or want to boast brows that do it all, the Mary Kay Volumizing Brow Tint is your buildable, fiber-infused solution for all-round better brows that will help you feel beautiful. The life-proof formula with flexible hold helps set brows so they won't budge no matter the workday, workout or weather. With effortless application and quick dry time, getting the natural-looking, well-groomed brows of your dreams is a breeze. So I think you can definitely see the difference. So you can also, like I say, you can use powders. The Mary Kay eyeshadow in hazelnut is one of my favorite. If you want to get really technical, you can also use a bit of concealer underneath just to really define the line of your brow if you want really sharp ones. But if you're just an everyday girl and just want some natural looking brows, then this stuff on its own is absolutely amazing, and anybody can do it. It's quick and easy. Just follow the application like I've shown you and you won't be sorry. So the price of this is $25, and if you want a eyebrow brush, which has got a little brush on one side and the spoolie brush on the other side, which is really good for just combing them through, that is $17. So I highly recommend one of those brushes. I need to order one. My brush that I've had for many, many years has actually just fallen apart, so I'll be getting one of those in my next order. So there you go, guys. So if you want absolutely fantastic brows, that's how I do mine. Really simple. I'm definitely no expert on it, and I don't have these amazing eyebrows that are, like I say, that are twins. Mine are definitely sisters. They don't behave themselves. They go all over the place. They're not the same shape on either side, but I'm okay with that. I think that's more natural looking and that's more realistic as well, let's face it. So I hope this was helpful. If you need any more tips or tricks, or if you've got something that you've been doing with your brows that might help me, by all means let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you all again in my next video really soon. Thanks guys, bye.